Hello guys, in this reel I'm going to share the tutorial of how to use the Threads app by Meta.
At first you have to open the Instagram app and open the search tab and search for Threads. Then click on this top right button to create your Threads account. Then click on the button named Get Threads to go to a Threads profile. Or you can even download the Threads app from the Play Store or App Store by searching the Threads app. Now let's open the Threads app. This is your profile section. Tapping on this button will bring you to the home page of the app. This is the search button where you can search different profiles. If you click on this button, you can create new threads and post them. Here you can check your threads and replies. If you click on this button, you can import your profile directly from your Instagram, which definitely includes your name, bio and the link. For sharing your profile, you have to simply click on the button named Share Profile. And if you click on this button, you can check your activity history. That is likes, replies, who followed your account, mentions and much more. Tag someone who might find this Threads tutorial useful. If you like this reel, share it in your story and with friends. And follow TechyMate for more of the reels.